the romance in our film is quite strong. It's quite a strong element in our film, and she never once felt uncomfortable or made me feel uncomfortable at all. And we were just always having fun and laughing.
Congratulations to the both of you and the team for the trailer.
Thank you.
Really nice. But the cricket season is on. Who are you guys cheering for this time? Which, I mean, obviously India and Pakistan's match is the most awaited one. Which one are you guys waiting to watch?
Indian team, obviously.
Yeah, two more questions.
Hi, Siddharth over here, towards your left. So since the film is releasing in April and there's another film releasing alongside, so what sort of release are you planning for Baghi?
Well, we're planning a very wide release, and the good part today is that all kinds of films can coexist. So there's no issue with two films releasing on the same day. I mean, as long as the film is good, I think we are nowadays in a time when people want to watch good movies. So they'll watch both if both movies are good.
And will it have a wide release even overseas?
Yes, it will be a wide release around the world.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm from Filmy Curry. Towards your right.
Filmy Curry.
Curry, yeah.
Curry.
Curry. Yeah, wonderful trailer. My question is to Sabir Khan. बहुत rare होता है ऐसा कि trailers में कोई भी song नहीं दिखाया जाता. तो ये उनमें से एक trailer है. So what about the music of the film?
There are 5 really talented composers who've come together for the film. I take a lot of pleasure in making the music for the film, and I'm assuming and I'm hoping that you will enjoy the music. There's a lot of romance in the film, and I assure you that the music is really good.
श्रद्धा, एक गीत आपने भी गाया है इस फिल्म का अरमान मलिक के साथ
शायद.
तो आप वो थोड़ा हम करना चाहेंगे हमारे लिए?
अभी नहीं.
फिर कब?
थोड़ा इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में हम आपको दिखाते हैं ना, एक के बाद एक.
और ये थीम क्या थी, अगर कोई बताना चाहे साहिद भाई आप या साबिर की? ये सभी लोग चश्मे में हैं, मतलब अंधेरे में भी, तो ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली? डॉक्टर डैंग टाइप्स लाइक एवरीबॉडीज, तो ये एग्जैक्टली क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं आप, जरा बताएं हमें.
ये बागी के थीम में आया है यार.
पीछे तो ऐसा बागी दिख नहीं रहा हमें.
This is a personal security of some people who are here, not here on the dais, but somewhere else. Okay, great.
Shraddha, Abhishek here, right. Extreme right. Yo.
Hi.
Okay.
Enthu Cutlet.
Yeah, man, what's up? Can we say that the Lara Croft for India has arrived?
I don't know. Like, you guys will have to see it and decide that.
And, Tiger Sabir said a while back that you're also good in romancing. So how was it romancing your childhood friend?
It was very easy because, I was very comfortable from day one around Shraddha. Bachpan se hum dost hai. I think we've been in the same school. I've been a fan of Shraddha since her very first film.
I've been a fan of his since ye school mein the aur he used to play basketball with so much passion. मुझे याद है कि टाइगर अपने बास्केटबॉल जर्सी में हमेशा रहते थे. Fully energetic and always like focused, and of course now you can also see that he's focused in what he's doing now. It's great. बहुत मजा आया.
Can I finish?
Sorry.
This is my question. So anyways, I was just very comfortable from day one. I remember the workshops when she used to come and Sabir sir used to take our readings. It was just, we used to have such a fun time just reading. And I think the romance in our film is quite strong. It's quite a strong element in our film, and she never once felt uncomfortable or made me feel uncomfortable at all. And we were just always having fun and laughing, and just every time Sabir sir would say action, we would be in the zone, and every time he would say cut, then we would just be having fun dancing or something like that. So yeah, it was fun working with her overall.
We were actually like, can you believe it? We're doing a movie together now. Because when you go to school with someone and then you grow up, and then of course both of us, when you have a dream to act and then you end up acting with someone you've gone to school with. So it's really surreal. So pehle din se last din tak we would be like, in between shots we would be like, Tiger, can you believe it? Hum ek picture kar rahe hain saath mein. He'd be like, Shraddha, I can't believe it. And so we were very excited to be working together.
All right. Thank you.
There's so many things I would like to say to them, but I see all of them in a uniform. So, I don't think they're on the wrong path right now. I think they don't need any tips from me. They're already on the right path. So just keep doing what you're doing, and yeah, I think बागी बनो पर एक मकसद के लिए. I think that's thank you.
Sorry? What?
It's not a remake of any film. Just to put you correctly.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
One more.
Thank you guys.
One more, we love. Baghi is not complete without the music, and we would like